What's up, guys? We are installing a set of Black Horse side steps, black tubular oval on the 2019 Ram. They don't have oval ones factory yet for these trucks. They just have like kind of flat ones. I wanted tube steps, so I got these. I like the coating on them. The only issue I see is there's already a nick in them from shipping, which I'm not too happy about, but I need to get side steps on this thing because my girlfriend keeps sliding the seat on the way out and I don't want to wreck the seat. So I'm just going to throw these on and maybe touch up paint that, but we're going to show you how to install these today. I have everything on box here. You can see it's got the instructions, 2 steps. You'll notice that one end of the tube is shorter to the step pad as opposed to this end. The shorter end goes towards the front of the truck, so this is a passenger side. We have to flip it around, and then you have 6 of the same mounting brackets. The tab goes this direction on all 6 of them, so they're all the same. All right, so now we're going to take our bag of supplied nuts and washers, and there'll be 3 spots, 3 groups of 3 studs on each side of the truck. As you can see here, here's one group. Further down the row here towards the front of the truck, there's another group, and behind the camera there's another group. So just take any of your brackets, line up the 2 bottom holes, and it will automatically go to the proper hole in the top, and then put our washers and nuts on. Not going to tighten them up completely yet, just going to kind of get everything on there loose in case we need to move anything around. So I'm going to finish reinstalling the other 5 brackets with nuts and washers just like this, and we'll pick it up there. Alright, so you can see we have all 3 brackets on this side in place, and they're still loose. You'll notice that the nuts are nylock nuts. One end is a little bit smaller than the other. Make sure that the nylon is facing you as you install the nuts. Now we're going to go ahead and install the step. You can see there's nut certs in there, so we just need the supplied bag of bolts and washers. Just going to set it in place carefully without scratching it. And we will go underneath and install our bolts. The nuts and bolts are technically metric, so they're 13 millimeter, but I found that a 1/2 inch socket actually fits a little bit better. Alright, so we have all of the mounting bolts for the actual step installed and all of the mounting nuts installed for the brackets. Now we're going to start tightening up the nuts for the brackets. That's going to lift this up because it's going to pull it to the proper mounting spot. And then from there we can adjust front to back, because with these brackets being the same all the way around the truck, and the mounting spot for them, as you could see that the tab is only on one side, so one step might be like a 1/2 inch more forward than the other side. So I want to line them up the best we can. All right, so the passenger side is 95% complete. It's all on. I just have to tighten it down the last little bit. We're gonna do the driver's side before we do that though, so I can set the adjustment if I need to, because it's gonna bother me. I'm too OCD if this step is too far forward and the other one's too far back. So I'm gonna put the brackets on this side, do all the exact same stuff we did on the other side before making our final adjustments. And I just want to say I will put these steps as well as a couple other options in the video description if you'd like to purchase side steps for your 2019 or newer Ram. Alright, so I just wanted to point these out on the Black Horse ones. I don't know if I'm just unlucky or if they don't do this for some reason or what, but I just noticed that there's a hole here with no rivet in it. Okay, well, the other side that I already put on in the same spot has a rivet, just like right there on the front. So the other stuff that I already put on has 2. This one only has 1 for some reason. I don't know if it's just like a quality control deal or what. So I will definitely be following up on like how these things hold up. I know they're not super expensive, they're cheaper than OEM, but they're still not cheap, you know. So I'll follow up on these. I still will post them in the video description though. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on now and get everything lined up. All right, the bracket mounting bolts are fully tightened now. I do not have a torque spec for those. I didn't see one in the instructions, but being that they're just like 12 or a half inch or 13 millimeter socket, I probably wouldn't go over like 30 foot-pounds, not by very much. They're not super strong. So now that I have the brackets tightened, I measured from the tire to here, and I have it at 8.5 inches. And then I went and adjusted the other side too. So what I did is, before I tightened the brackets down, I palmed the brackets whichever way I needed. I think I ended up having to push the driver's side back a bit and the passenger side forward. I can't remember, but I have this set at 8.5. Then I tightened the brackets down, and then now you can, if you haven't tightened up your hardware yet for this, you can kind of rotate it. I tried it both ways, and if you tip it outwards, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera here, but it kind of dips down, or you know, it tips down at an angle like this, which I don't like. So I ended up rotating it back like that, and it's a lot more flat now. So now I'm going to go ahead and tighten up those mounting bolts, and I definitely, again, would not go over probably 20 or 30 on these, because those nutserts, I believe, are just brass. I don't know if they're steel, so they might not be the strongest threads. All right, here we are, fully installed. The fitment is pretty good. Sorry, my shadow's in the way here. It does tuck closer to the body the further back you go by just a little bit. It's not bad though. I'll try to get a shot here. And then from the back, and we might as well do one from the front. So they don't stick out super far, which I like, and they don't hang too ridiculously low. So I'll post a couple different options in the video description. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.